You the irrigation guy?
Hell yeah. For every time you do like irrigation, there's a line right here. You mark it up with your thumb like this, and that's gonna show you where you're gonna cut. Get some glue in. Put glue on here. Put glue in there. And then you can remove this. Huh? Mira que me pegué un calambre.
What do we have in store? What type of challenge?
We don't have these. Red, whatever you call these, versus my black tijeras.
Okay.
That's gonna be coming soon, just know. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's how you make $125. And I'll say like 15 minutes. A little bit of struggling, but hey, you get the job done, and it's done the exotic way.